Getting some more breaking is coming in right now, viewers, where we see that there is a update in terms of Shia mourners protesting in Srinagar. Protesters holding posters of Khomeini, Jammu and Kashmir, LGs participating in the Muharram procession. This is what we see right now, viewers. Back to whatever is coming in right now, Republic TV. The latest update is that we have Zeenat. Zeenat, what we see right now is that there's a protest. Shia mourners are protesting and they're holding posters of Khomeini. If you just could take our viewers through what is happening at the protest.
See, there is no protest at present. It's only the 10th Muharram. It's commemorating the martyrdom of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad. And on this day, the Shia mourners in huge number, they come remembering the scenes of the Karbala where the martyrdom of Imam Hussain alayhi salam had taken place along with his 70 companions, and this incident took place in 680 CE. Today we are seeing the mourners are joined by LG Manoj Sinha. He is also here distributing the water. The security wing of Jammu and Kashmir, we are seeing SSP Srinagar present along with the IG Kashmir LG Manoj Sinha here, and the Shia protesters are remembering the scenes of Karbala and are paying the glorious tributes to Imam Hussain and his companions during the battle of Karbala. One can see the alam that is being taken out. Even after the scene, that will be a Zul Jalan that will also be taken out by the Shia mourners. This is the 10th Muharram. This is also known as Roz Ashura, which is being observed on the 10th of Muharram. This is the first month of the Islamic lunar calendar, and here we are seeing the LG Manoj Sinha along with his administration have joined the mourners, paying the glorious tribute to the Karbala martyrs. As my VJ Firdaus is showing you the visuals where the mourners are remembering Imam Hussain alayhi salam and his sacrifices. There have been the stringent arrangement of the security. We are seeing the deployment at the multiple posts. In fact, the traffic has also been diverted. But in the mourners, we are also seeing the portrait of Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Khamenei. Although just on the 8th of Muharram, there has been an FIR that was registered by the Srinagar police against the unknown people for violating the guidelines, and also there were some law and order incidents that were reported on the 8th of Muharram. But today, on 10th of the Muharram, we are seeing the peaceful protests are peaceful. The mourning is taking place. The processions are taking place, where you see the hundreds of the Shia mourners, which are joined by the Sunnis on this day of Ashura. So the visuals that we are showing you comes from the downtown. This is the Zadibal area of Srinagar where the procession is on.
Right. Right. Zeenat, we also know that that as we keep getting these pictures for our viewers, we know that the security is also taken care of. We see that the security has been, it's a layered security. Arrangements have been made. Police and civil authorities have made that there should be this entire, the mourning which is happening should be extremely smooth. If we could just take our viewers through the security arrangements as well on the spot.
See, as far as the security arrangements are concerned, my VJ is showing you, sees this. With the mourners, you are seeing the stringent arrangements, the deployment of the Jammu and Kashmir police. You seeing the SSP Srinagar, the IG Kashmir. They are with LG Manoj Sinha. In fact, the district administration is also present. And in and outside this very area, there has been a deployment of the CRPF. So even in this procession, the CRPF men are guiding and also saying that nothing is violated on the ground. So this is the day of the 10th Muharram where the Karbala martyrs are remembered by the people, by the Muslim world, and there you see the procession that is taking place. This is one of the longest, and also the number of mourners is always highest when it comes to 10th Muharram of the Islamic lunar calendar. The strict arrangements coming from the Jammu and Kashmir police, the CRPF that is present here guiding the mourners, and you see most of the people are in black clad today. Black symbolizes mourning. So majority of the Shia mourners, their attire is black, holding the banners in the hand. and reciting elegies. That is how to produce, how to give. Pay tributes to those who have sacrificed their life in 680 CE. So this is the day, Yom Ashuda, commemorating the sacrifices and remembering the sacrifices of Imam Hussain alayhi salam and his companions in the Battle of Karbala.
All right, okay. Zinat, live on the procession where Lieutenant